All right, so coming in today, we took a beautiful 1 to 2 RR trade. Honestly, cannot ask for anything more. It was very nice. So, what was going through my head? First thing, coming into New York Open, I noticed right away we had this SMT on the lows. Now, of course, just having an SMT doesn't mean anything. So, what I wanted to see was this 1 hour to get completely inversed. Second, I saw this 1 hour get inversed, then I was so clearly bullish. I wanted to see these new week opening gaps and previous New York high get taken, which beautiful, bro. Beautiful, beautiful PA today, man. So coming down to the 15-minute, what did I see? Well, we are disrespecting bearish and we're respecting bullish gaps. So first thing I see is, okay, well, let's look at this 15. We respected this so like, oh my god, bro, I have no fucking words, bro. It's beautiful respect on the 15-minute because we didn't even have a candle close. We literally had a full wick. Guys, when we have wicks that are forming inside of fair value gaps and not body closes, the wicks are just 1,000 times more powerful. So that was, couldn't ask for anything more, bro. That was a very nice confirmation. But major trade that I actually was really looking at was on the 5-minute, we had this breaker to the upside. On top of it, we also had a fair value gap as well, just like the 15. Just on the 5-minute, we had candle closures inside of it. Perfectly fine. Not only that, we were also at EQ of the fucking price range, bro. Like, oh my god, if you didn't take this, what are you doing? Coming down to the 1-minute, I saw right away we had a manipulation leg. Now, yes, not the best manipulation leg, but it was there. Inversion to the upside. Guys, this was just a no-brainer. Took the entry right when we took that break of the inversion. Stop loss right at the lows. It was actually a 1.5 RR trade. It was just so nice. Honestly, I was targeting these highs. The second we got these highs hit, I took off my position. I was thinking about leaving a runner, like getting out 90% of my position, because I had 4 contracts in here, and just leave a runner, like 1 contract just to run to these past New York highs, which would have been a very nice target. But guys, just took the low-hanging fruit, got out for a nice profit for the day. I'm not complaining. This was a very A++ entry. There's honestly nothing, there's nothing to go against the trade, bro. Like, it was good. If you didn't take it, bro, I don't know what to tell you. Go back test. But this is honestly a very nice trade. Yeah. Guys, if you want to trade live with me, I did take this trade in my Discord live, so go join that. If you want to trade live with me, one-on-one, get one-on-one help, and all that good stuff, link down below. And yeah, if you also need some discounts as a brokers, got some links down below as well, bro. I'm fully hooked up with you, bro. I hook you guys up with everything. Anyways, probably guys think I'm cracked out of my mind right now. I just took out some pre-workout and I'm going to the gym, so that's where that energy is coming from. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace.